Highlighters, may tanong ako sa inyo. Ano ang gagawin mo kapag nawala ang puchi or talong mo?
Oh no!
It's not what you're expecting at hindi bastos to ah. This movie is such a right timing for Pride Month this June. So ano nga bang meron dito? It focuses on inclusivity, sensitivity, and respect on each individual. It was uniquely written and a powerful masterpiece which aims to address gender inequality and discrimination. Ginawa ito highlighters hindi lang para patawanin ka, cause it's more than that.
Yeah, this movie means so much, especially sa mga panahon ngayon no, na talagang talamak ang pagdidegrade sa mga kapatid natin from the LGBT community. And not only sa mga LGBT, pati sa mga kababaihan, sa mga kalalakihan. So, what this film really screams for is the equality for everyone. Wala namang masama kung pantay-pantay tayo, diba?
Oh my gosh.
Ano bang masama doon?
Wala.
Bakit kailangan nakakalamang? Dapat ba nakakalamang?
Hindi. Grabe, wala pa akong issue. Wala pa.
Nagpapatunay rin dito na hindi lang ang puchi at talong ang makakapagsabing worth mo bilang lalaki or babae. Mainly, it's because of you since you were enough. In fairness, panalo itong pelikula na to. Such a powerful lesson about love and gender equality. So alam niyo na yung chismis highlighters ha? Flower Girl is now showing in cinemas.